welcome to my show. Today we are going to do popping cooking. This is the behind. We are going to make ice cream. And this is the packaging. Here, see? Oh, I think they want to ask us to cut this all. I think we are going to cut them. And bye-bye. So we did. And this is all the stuff they gave. And I got a spoon. Oopsie. Okay. And then all these are the packaging. We got the sprinkles. And then this is the biscuits, the cone, and then I'm not sure what is this, but it's also a biscuit. And there's some sprinkles here, and a spoon, and a paper bag here, and some package. So we have to make the ice cream. Cool! Okay, now what we're going to do is... Hey, first one is Stella. First one is Stella. The first one we're going to do is cut here. This triangle here. And why you never cut? Okay. My brother is going to pour it first. Okay. Pink packet. Now I'm going to take 1 scoop of water. This water inside the pink one here. So now I'm going to stir it. Now it's nice and stirred. Now my brother is going to take some water. The spoon, and now he's going to stir it. Not so hard, okay? Not so hard. Just I help you. And I'm going to help my brother since he's not so good at stirring. Biscuit up. 2 of them. I think that's like that. Sometimes I do wrong then how? I'm done, like cubes. So now I'm going to put all the thing inside. Cream inside this packet. I'm going to put the pink one inside this hot one here. Help me hold, help me hold. You help me hold. I do the thing, you help me hold. Okay, help me hold it. Okay. Don't know how. Not nice. Taste already ah? How is it? This now ah. You need a spoon ah? I think we're done with it. We need to I need to twist the top to put the cream down. Let's start decorating. Somebody must hold the corner. Somebody must hold the cone. So put on the cone. Now I'm going to put it on the cone. Slowly. Go, 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 go. Where's this cone? Going to do a new one. Good. I'm going to help him squeeze out. Don't. Because let me put it first. Let me open it. Oh yeah, Mama open it. There you go. Be careful, don't put it. Eat the ice cream. It's not so nice what I was thinking. It's really nice for me. But it's soft. I don't know, right? My finger's okay. Let me try the cone. So the cone tastes the same, but it tastes like it's a bit soft. You can eat so fast. Now, the strawberry cream is not what I was thinking what it was supposed to be. Now I'm going to taste without the strawberry. I'm thinking actually, I thought it is actually better, but it is not. Cause this white wine not nice. Shouldn't put the white wine. White wine not nice. I taste it. So I think it just don't taste like a real ice cream. The strawberry cream does not taste like a strawberry cream. Thank you for watching. watching. Subscribe if you want to watch our show.